Guys, I guess if in case you're watching this video, you would have already seen the thumbnail and the title, and you would know that this is the issue that you must also be facing in your phone. This issue looks like this. Whenever you try to open your camera, it will say warning camera failed. And it will keep on happening until unless you try all other multiple ways suggested on the Google, Samsung websites, and many other platforms or blogs. So the only solution that helped me and by which I am able to use my camera again is the single live solution that I will share today in this video. So before doing that, let me tell you a couple of solutions which are not related to my solution, but yes, have been suggested by Samsung in their blog because this has been a recurring issue in many of the phones, which are mid-range phones and many of the high-end phones. Just to tell you, this is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, wherein I am facing this issue. I also got to know that this issue is also occurring on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and in fact some of the mid-range phones also has this issue of camera failed. So now we will tell you how we can resolve it, but before that I will just tell you the very easiest way which might help you in resolving it, and you do not need to panic about it. Okay, so the very first way, the step one that you have to do is, if in case the camera app is not opening, obviously you won't be able to access its setting from here, right? So what you have to do is, you just need to keep on pressing over here. You will have this eye icon over here. Ultimately it will open this app info page, right? So in app info page you can see this camera setting, and you would be able to access this in any case, be any camera failure, you would be able to access this. Now what you have to do is, you have to click on reset settings, and now it will ask for resetting the setting, and I will just reset the settings. This is the first way which might help you, but it did not help me. Now I will tell you the second possible way which other people suggested me that I can tell you, but again it didn't help me, but some people said it helped them. So I will just tell you that as well, because my idea to create this video is ultimate guide to this camera failure, this warning of camera failure. Okay, so what you have to do is, you need to press power off button. You just need to restart or power off it and then restart. If in case you want to force restart it, just push down the volume down key and the power key together along with the power key. Okay, this will restart your this Samsung phone, and this might help you somewhere to to open your camera again or to enable your camera again. But this again did not help me, and hence we will come to the next step. I'm not taking much of your time, just because I know everyone's time is precious and no one has that much time to spend over here. But ultimately my idea over here is that you do not need to visit Samsung to get this issue resolved. So better in free, just 2 to 3 minutes, spending 2 to 3 minutes on this particular task will probably resolve your issue as well. So now, what is the next step? If in case you are still not able to open it, try navigating over here, because whenever you try to open it, it will come as black screen, and after some seconds it will pop up warning camera sign. Just try to navigate from here and there, and you might be able to access this. Okay, another part which you have to also check is whether it's a actual camera sensor failure or not. You just go to Paytm app or the GPay app or any of the other camera apps, try to access camera, whether you are able to access it or not. So what I tried is, as you can see, I tried opening it, and you can see that camera is working over here, right? So it was working that time as well. So you can also try accessing some third party camera apps to check whether your camera's hardware is intact or not. Okay, so that's another thing, you can try that. Now what helped me in this particular case, I will tell you, and there are many other ways as well, I will just tell you. So there are multiple ways. You go there and write camera warning, camera failed Samsung, and now you will get this blog. I will just probably paste this blog in the description box as well, so that you can also navigate it to these five methods that they have suggested. Although I tried all the five methods, nothing worked, and I didn't try to request a service. Obviously, I do not want to pay for my old phone, so hence I tried my this way, which helped in. And guys, trust me, it will 100% work, and it worked for me. This seems to be gimmicky, this seems to be magical, but yes, it works 100%. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, see, I need to remove my case. If in case you have the case, that's fine. If in case you do not have the case, that's fine. Okay, turn this into back. Now, as you can see, there is some crack on my phone, and it's an old phone, obviously. And in fact, there are some openings from here and there as well. So what we have to do is, we have to do in any case, if in case your phone is perfect, intact, broken, anything, what you have to do is you need to press it like this. Okay, you need to just press it like this. And I am also a electronics engineer. I am very much shameful that this trick worked, but yes, it's true, it worked for me, and it would work for you as well, 100%. So what you have to do is just press it like this. So what would have happened, as per some of the users who explained this issue, this trick, is if in case there is any kind of plug that was there, I mean, there are ribbon cables which are adjusted to, connect to the camera. They might have they might have come out of this, and hence this is causing an issue. Now what you have to do is just keep on pressing it, and once you have pressed it, what you have to do is you need to try opening your camera again, and this should 100% work. I'm definitely telling you. So I just was getting some calls, so I'll just try opening it now. So now, as you can see, I will try camera, and you can see, obviously, I already fixed it, but it will work for you as well. This is my daily driver. I record my videos from this particular phone only, so I was pretty much dumbstruck. So how do I need to progress on this video? Hence I came to know this solution. If it worked for you, please comment down below, and I hope you will send some like. You can also show love by taking some memberships. Thank you very much.